You which type is this?
Like this one now, is large white.
Large
Large white.
white. Okay.
But it's male,
Okay.
not female.
Okay.
Five.
These are
Give her to five.
five pigs are pigs. Piglets. Okay. This is also large white.
Pure large
Pure large white. White abi white.
white.
White. Okay.
Europe. How many?
Crossbreed.
1 month. Yes, so my people in 1 month.
Okay. In a month's time now,
Yes.
it will deliver. Okay.
Boa.
Boa.
Long cross.
Okay. Already there's one be. Okay. This one is used for crossing the whole female here. Okay. Back to my channel. Today here I'm with Mr. Segun. He's a professional in this business, pig farming business. He's a professional. So today he'll be telling us what we need to know about pig farming business. So relax and enjoy this video. You are welcome, sir. Please, pig farming business right here in Nigeria. Do everybody know it is lucrative?
Beginner to start farming, pig farming.
Uh,
You need to get, as in grower. We call it grower.
grower,
So or winners,
winners.
pigs. So that one can start from maybe 3 months.
Okay, 3 month old grower
Yes.
or winners
Or winners.
to start with.
Yes.
All right, sir. So how many, like now, if I'm investing as a commercial farming, I want to invest in pig farming business to gain more money, to look for more money. Now, like how many pigs will I be getting to invest with?
It depends on capital.
Okay.
So like we want to buy like 3 or 4 grower now. If it is large white, you can get it at the rate of 30,000.
Okay, sir. What you are trying to tell us now, yeah, there are different types of pigs.
There are different type of
How many types are there? As
we
in,
have
explain it to us.
large white,
Large
we
white,
have crossbreed,
crossbreed,
okay, we
breed,
have Duroc,
Duroc.
and we have local.
Okay, we also have local. So starting a pig farming business, what I need now is the winners or the grower.
Or the grower.
Okay, now fine. When starting this pig farming business, the first thing I will get their house ready.
Yes.
So and their house must be like this.
It may be like this. It depends on how the capital is.
Okay, so there's another method.
Because there is another method, but this is the standard method.
Okay, this is the standard method. So we leave all this place open like this.
Yes.
For ventilation.
Yes.
So now fine, sir. When I now start this pig farming business, I start with grower or the winners. Like how many months will the grower now reach before I can start to be selling them, or before they will give birth to another?
Before the grower can give birth to, at least it should use like 4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
Okay.
Before they can start crossing. Because we cross something eat. So if pigs, maybe they have heat, you can cross, because you can't cross them without that heat.
What is it? The heat?
As in that thing is like menstruation something. Sha.
Okay. The menstruation.
Yeah, they do it
time.
every month.
Okay.
So when that thing come out, so you can use a boa to cross it.
Okay, and
We
cross
call
it.
the female, the male hone, the main pig, boa.
Okay.
We have boa, so and we have different type of boa. It may be large white, it may be crossbreed.
Like how many months do they use to carry the baby to deliver the baby?
It's 4 months.
Okay, under 4 months.
Yes.
That means it's
That
8
is,
months.
3 months, 3
For the
weeks. 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, 3 hours.
Okay, for the period to for them to give birth to the younger pigs. Okay, fine. This pigs business, sir, how lucrative? How is there money inside this business?
There is a lot of money inside,
There's a lot of money to make inside this pig business.
yes,
How is
and
it by
there is a lot of profit
in this business?
in pig business.
Okay,
Yes, in livestock, pig is the first to meal, so that you can see a lot of money inside.
okay, pig is the first. Yeah, you are still enjoying our interview, my interview with Mr. Oluwasegun. So, the feeding aspect, how do I feed the pigs when I start this business? Where do I get their feed?
There are
And what do they
some
feed on?
some are using PKC,
PKC, okay?
ordinary PKC, but to me, I use different type of formulating food,
Okay.
because if you want your pig to have much weight, there are some food that they can eat, and there will be more energy than the one that are using ordinary PKC.
Okay, it will carry more weight
More weight,
than the one eating only
only PKC.
PKC. All right, where do I get the feed? Where do you buy
They
the
sell
feed?
it around our farming area.
Okay, we'll go out to buy it.
Yes.
I think there is another method of you producing feeds here, gathering some things, or they
We
don't feed on that one.
uh, That's what I'm already talking about.
Okay,
That when you buy some maybe PKC, you can buy like maize, itoba, and some other equipment inside, so
okay,
they can have much weight than they be
okay,
using
I'll mix them
together.
together. Okay, for them to gain
Yes,
more
more
weight.
weight.
All right. Thanks very much.